Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to create charts in SallySuite. First, select the data range. Then, input your chart requirements. If you're not sure what type of chart to create, let Sally recommend charts for you. I asked Sally to recommend 3 charts for me. Sally created 3 charts for me. You can also delete charts and create new ones from the chart card. You can also use GPT-4o to analyze your charts. Click the Analyze button to send the chart to Vision and let her help you analyze it. Then GPT-4o provided me with an analysis of the chart. If needed, you can save the analysis results. Then, find it in the bookmarks list. Finally, feel free to try out SallySuite.